Okay, we will continue. I'm going to cover these keywords and then invoking superclass constructor and the inheritance. So here we can invoke another constructor. And here we can say number, name, age, and gender, salary. So that we can invoke another constructor with 5 parameters using these keywords. So basically default constructor invoke another constructor with 5 parameters. Okay, so this application, hang on, there's a missing single quotation, can deal with a simple employee record. So let's extend it so that we can deal with full-time, casual employee, or part-time employee. So for inheritance, we can use keyword called extends, name of the superclass called employee. So full-time become subclass. So basically say full-time is an extension of employee class. So here I will say casual. Extend employee class. So casual is a subclass of employee superclass. So let's go back to full-time. So if you look at employee here, ideally when you're dealing with the employee, you like to keep minimum so that it may apply to both subclasses. So let's say commented out salary, paste it here. So the full-time salary applied to full-time employee only. Let me overload setRecord method in full-time class so that we can extend it. This is what we call as an overloading method. Everything is pretty much identical except the parameter. So here we say full-time employee. Okay. So we are using scanner. Input new scanner system in. So we are dealing with the full-time object. So let me just copy, replace it. Everything is same. Let's call for a superclass method called setRecord. So we can process employee number, name, age, and gender. So this is the one we invoke in subclass. So we don't need that. So let me remove. Okay. So we can comment. Let me add full-time object. Using default constructor. Everything is pretty same, so let's just replace the object name. Instead of using superclass object, we are going to use subclass object called full-time. Let's run it. One, two, three, four. John, So the usual mail, let's say 3000. Okay, output is correct according to toString methods. No. So let's look at casual employee. So if you look at here, we can deal with the salary. Okay, copy, paste it. Okay, we import scanner class. But if you think about casual, we don't really pay according to salary, we pay per hour. So let's just change to casual. So we have to deal with the salary. Here we say number of hours. I will use integer. Turn off the Java documents, you can keep it. This refers to number of hours worked. Let's have one more. Maybe he or she will work 20 hours per week. Then when we pay, we need to know pay rate. So it should be double. Let's say default 20. Just saying $20 per hour. So far seems okay. So let's go down, look at set record. Okay. So if you look at salary, you need to think about it, how this is going to work. So here we have a salary, set salary methods. We need to override that set salary methods. Instead of we fixing like $2,000-3,000, we may give different parameter, depends on number of hours. So int number of hours. Here the methods we will invoke superclass methods. So set salary, hourly rate multiplied by number of hours. So number of hours multiplied by hourly rate. Okay, say 20 hours by $20 per hour. So we can get employee details, include number of hours. That should be number of hours. Here integer. So according to number of hours. I think we should make sure that number of hours is actually recorded. So I will say casual, set number of hours. Without that might be okay, but just in case. So this is how it works at these points. Okay, according to given number of hours worked and then hourly rate, we can process casual employee or part-time employee. So normally here we can add toString methods. So there's nothing much we can do. Override to superclass toString methods. We just say super toString. if you don't have one, it's going to repose the superclass toString method, so it's actually okay not to have one, but just override it here in these subclasses. Seems okay. We have number of hours, hourly rate, so we extend employee class so that we can deal with salary calculation. So let me have one more object so we can test it. Here is identical. Let's create the object and process it. So copy. The first one is full-time employee object. Second one is casual. So let me change to casual. Casual. So this demonstrates you how to extend your existing class, and then you can introduce inheritance for one subclass and another subclass called casual and improve time. So you can reuse existing code and extend it what you need. So here John. So here we are using full-time object. Here we are using another subclass object called casual. 20 years old, female, with the number of hours for the salary. I will say no. Okay. So we have two objects, both of them using subclasses of employee class. So this quick demonstration show you how to use these keywords, and then you can invoke superclass constructor, and you can also override methods in your subclasses. So this is superclass called employee. Okay, just have a look. Then this is a casual. We extend two additional data field called number of hours and hourly rate. And then we extend it. Okay, that's all. Thank you.